Hi, this is Jessica with Doc 365, and here's our training video on our carousel. So our first problem is that when you click the video, it just opens up in a new window, and we don't really want that. So see how that works? So I'm going to go and edit this. You just click the pencil button. It takes you to a new window, and you just uncheck the Open New tab. And you can see that you can edit this really easily. I just click Save. And so it'll take you back to the home page of Doc for your intranet portal, and then you can see that the video plays within the window. So that's if you have a problem. And if you want to view more, you can see the whole article that goes along with the video. This is a great way to communicate with your team. And you can put as many in here as you want. So if you'd like to edit again, just go in there and see the description. Then your tools pop up at the top. If you want to change headers or anything like that, you can just see that it's just really straightforward. And if you want to insert an image, this is how you just go to insert. It's real easy. Choose your file, find it wherever you may have files. You can also do it with SharePoint instead of the ones on your computer. And then you click OK. And it takes you to a new window for your tags and your metadata. This just helps people find your image when you're uploading something brand new. So I just copied and pasted the title of the file because that's what it is. And then I'm the author, I put that in there, and then you can put a date, picture taken, or copyright information if needed. And then it just goes in there real easy, like you're making a blog post. So back to the main page, and the plus symbol is where you can add a new carousel. So I'm just going to do a test where I'm going to show you how easy it is just to type something in here, company announcement, and then I highlighted it and made it a header. It's just like Word. And then after that, you can put a video URL in there and then publish dates. You pick a date if you want to publish in the future, and then you can unpublish as well if you want it to automatically delete itself. And then if you're into, which department it is, you can always tag marketing or what have you, check your spelling, and then click Save. And you're all done. And then it'll post, but I didn't post mine. But if you want to delete something, you just simply click the trash can, and then that's it. Thanks for listening to our training about the carousel.